All-inclusive luxury can feel more factory than escape. Big resorts promise freedom, but often deliver careful efficiency. Massive lobbies, wristbands, and buffet queues signal the machine. Local character blurs when every detail suits the widest crowd. Personal service becomes scripted, polished, and strangely distant. Guests chase lounge chairs before breakfast, fearing scarcity. The bill grows through premium extras hidden behind glossy promises. Convenience turns restless when crowded spaces demand constant planning. Families become overstimulated, racing from pool to show. The holiday ends with exhaustion instead of restoration. Real luxury feels quieter, smaller, and more personal. A boutique resort can know your name and preferences. A villa can place the beach steps from your door. Children enjoy tailored activities, while parents finally breathe. Meals flow naturally, without frantic searches for tables. The stay feels hosted, not processed. That difference changes everything. You return home lighter, calmer, and genuinely reconnected. Choose escape over logistics. Choose care over crowd control. Choose memories, not a production line. Visit Cedar Luxury Escape for expert travel planning, exclusive offers, and personalized consultations. Subscribe for more insider tips on Caribbean holidays, Mexico vacations, and wedding honeymoons.